Hi, I'm Sarita. I'm technical expert at AppTechies, a leading mobile app and website development company in the USA, delivering innovative and customized solutions worldwide. With 10 years of experience, 1,500 projects completed, 150 skilled experts, and 1,000 satisfied clients, we turn ideas into reality. Today, we introduce our cutting-edge logistics app demo designed to streamline operations and enhance efficiency for businesses in the transportation sector. Companies using logistics management software see a 20% reduction in delivery delays and 15% increase in operational efficiency. So let's start with our user app. Welcome to SwiftLog, your ultimate logistics management solution. We are revolutionizing cargo transportation with smart, efficient, and seamless logistics tracking. Let's begin your shipment journey, started by a splash screen and moving on to onboarding screen. Here, you have to enter your cargo details. Now that we know your cargo specifies, let's find the ideal truck for your shipment. After finding ideal truck, get your cargo delivered. After exploring SwiftLog's capabilities, it's time to personalize your experience. Our login screen is designed for quick and secure access. You have to enter your email and password to access your shipping dashboard. If you are new to SwiftLog, our sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. We collect your essential information to create your personalized logistic account. After securely logging in with your credentials, SwiftLog instantly welcomes you to your personalized logistics dashboard. Our book load feature puts you in control, quickly specifies origin and destination location, pickup date and time. With just a tap on next, you are ready to move your cargo. It also shows offer sections, your current load, and also the upcoming loads. Our intuitive bottom navigation lets you access home, my loads, chat, and profile. When you tap on next on the home screen, you are navigated to the cargo perimeter screen. User can select the type of cargoes. At the bottom, there is a search button. By clicking on this button, you will navigate to the screen that displays a list of available trucks that user can book. Here is a Book Now feature. When a user clicks on Book Now, redirected to the My Load screen. This screen is likely to show the list of loads that the user has booked. User click Pay to proceed to complete the payment. Once payment is successful, the load request moves to Upcoming tab. The screen lists all ongoing and scheduled. Once payment is successful, the user load moves to Upcoming loads. This screen shows all ongoing and scheduled loads. The truck remains here until the delivery is completed. Once completed, it moves to History. You can view the details of load by clicking on the load. When the user taps on load, they see detailed information. There is a chat button and a button to cancel the load. This is the profile screen of the app, which displays user information and account related settings. There is a change password button that allows user to update their login credentials and a delete button for their account deletion. Let's begin with our driver app. And moving on to onboarding screen, here you have to load your truck and deliver your load to the final destination, then verify delivery and earn your pay. After exploring SwiftLog's capabilities, it's time to personalize your experience. Our login screen is designed for quick and secure access. You have to enter your email and password to access your shipping dashboard. Our sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. You just have to fill the details displayed. When the user logs into the SwiftLog driver app, they are greeted with a personalized logistics dashboard that provides quick access to essential shipping details. This is our home screen. Our intuitive bottom navigation lets you access home, my loads, chat, and profile. Everything you need right at your fingertips. Here you will get to see the tracking of your current load that displays pickup and drop-off locations, shows estimated arrival date and load price. In the nav bar, there is a wallet icon which shows the total balance of the user, and you can withdraw the amount also by clicking on withdraw button, enter the amount, then submit it. Here is a bar chart that displays monthly earnings for 2023, and user can filter by year to track earnings over time. In analytics, there is a section for total earnings which shows current earning, and total jobs section that displays the number of completed jobs. By clicking on view button from the home screen, you will navigate to the details of your current load, and you can also chat with customer from the chat button. The cargo parameters are also displayed here. You can start your journey by clicking on get started. Moving on to my loads tab, here are the request for load shipment, and you can view the details of load by just clicking on them. Moving on to my loads, here are the request for load shipments, and you can view the details of load by just clicking on a single request and accept or decline as per your requirements. After accepting the request, it will show the details of your load and will go into upcoming section. And when you will click on to Rich's pickup location from the detail page, then you have to submit the image and the confirmation code from the user. Hence, the job will now move into the history section. This is the profile screen of the app, which displays user information and vehicle information. The uploaded documents and insurance will be shown here in the profile section. There is a change password button that allows users to update their login credentials, and delete account button to permanently delete their account. That's a wrap on our logistics app demo. Streamline your logistics with smarter solutions. Our logistic app simplifies real-time tracking, boosts efficiency, and enhances delivery management. Let's take your logistics to the next level. Contact AppTechis today and bring innovation to your business. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.